the Agadowski lifestyle blog, where I share easy and inspiring do-it-yourself home decoration tips and recipes so you can create something new, something that is you. Presently, I will show you how I aged my laminated Ikea stand with the rust finish wall paint. I used the one which is easily available in Germany and uses the technique with sand instead of spray, which I prefer as it creates a real structure which is essential for the aged rust look. Step 1. Sand your Ikea piece well, otherwise the paint will not stick. I was lucky enough to use a sanding machine, but you can do it by hand as well. I've done plenty of projects this way. Step 2. Follow the paint instructions of your chosen brand. Since it is supposed to be an aged look, you can play around with different techniques. No perfection is needed. In my case, I had to apply first the base color and waited until the next day to dry. After that, I mixed the finished paint with the sand, started painting the surface with a brush, and then used a sponge roller to spread the copper finish more random to create the naturally rusted look. Step 3. Wait until your paint dries and then dab with your brush over uncovered spots or areas you want to give an extra rough touch. I really enjoyed working on this project, so I hope you will too. Let me know in the comments section below, and hope to see you soon in one of my next videos or on Instagram.